This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the PremiereTrade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Friday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Anxious employers cut 17,000 jobs in January. That's the first such reduction in more than 4 years, and a fresh trouble sign that the economy is in danger of stalling. The non-farm payrolls report also showed that the unemployment rate dipped slightly to 4.9% from 5% as the civilian labor force shrank slightly. Spending on U.S. construction projects fell by 1.1% in December as outlays on private residential construction took another tumble. Year over year, construction spending down 2.3%. Consumer sentiment rose in January. The University of Michigan index rose to 78.4 in January from 75.5 in December. Economists actually expected 79. And the Institute for Supply Management reported the nation's manufacturers increased production in January. The ISM index rose to 50.7 in January from 48.4 in December. The rise was unexpected, and the consensus forecast was for the index to actually slip to 47%. Microsoft has hit internet icon Yahoo with an unsolicited takeover bid of $44.6 billion in the boldest bid yet to challenge Google's dominance of the lucrative online search and advertising markets. Beazer Homes USA, one of the home builders hardest hit by the housing crash, said that it will exit its mortgage origination business immediately and shut down operations in several markets. Some of the economic reports we can expect next week include December factory orders, the ISM Services Index, fourth quarter productivity, pending home sales, consumer credit, and wholesale trade for December. In earnings news today, Chevron posted 29.2% rise in earnings to $4.88 billion or $2.32 a share. ExxonMobil said its earnings per share rose to 2.13 from 1.76 last year. Analysts on average were looking for $1.98. Manpower's fourth quarter earnings fell to $133.1 million or $1.63 from $1.90 a share in the previous year. A lot of earnings out next week. Some of the marquee names include Humana, Archer Daniels Midland, News Corp, NYSE Euronext, Wendy's International, Yum Brands, BP plc, Disney, Whirlpool, Cisco Systems, GlaxoSmithKline, PepsiCo, and Weyerhaeuser, just to name a few. Some of the stocks in the news today. H&R Block plans to cut corporate staff and overhead expenses by $110 million a year and will incur a pre-tax charge of $17 million over the next couple of quarters. CSK Auto Corp traded higher after O'Reilly Automotive is proposing to acquire CSK for $8 a share or $352 million. And Affiliated Computer Services fiscal second quarter earnings rose to $81.6 million or 81 cents a share. That's the Market Wrap on a Friday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.